today's video, we're going to be making a ton of money with money-making methods in Animal Company because I'm broke. Okay, well, let's go.
1 hour later.
I did not record any of that.
1,000!
1,000? Okay, that's the most we've made. Let's go to sewers now. Oh crap.
Alright, let's go, Kitty.
Why did... Okay. No, we have to mine. Fine.
Oh, mine.
Mushroom is not good. We can do that, it's fine. Okay, banana. Ooh, banana's pretty good. Nothing can go wrong with the banana. It's so much easier. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna use the bag for the next one.
Let's go!
W!
Don't fill here! Alright, go!
Dude! Okay, let's see how much money. Okay, I used to be at like... I don't know how much money I used to have.
1,000.
We're gonna go to hell now. Okay, but no. Yeah, we're not doing it. No, we're not going through mines. We're doing the glitch. Goodbye, Grox. We're gonna start in this jackpot area. What?
You know where you come to? Like,
Wait, where's all the items? Oh, here we go. Okay, we see some over here, but it's guarded. So we have to do it at our own cost. Okay,
Stay behind.
Okay, you ready? Okay, oh crap. Oh, my headset's too. Give me a second. Guys, I wasn't recording again. So what we did was we went to the toilet, and now in just the middle of collecting these eggs to sell, I realized my headset wasn't recording. So so now we're just getting these eggs. Oh my, I don't know. Okay, I think we have enough. Let's sell.
Let me sell.
Yes, we just have to. Whoa, okay. Perfect. Please do it. Please. Animal Company God.
Why is Grox the member? That's my question.
Did Grox leave?
Yeah.
1,000.
Asking where Grox is.
Okay, because I wasn't recording, we're gonna redo this.
Holy, my
Okay, just keep flipping.
Holy!
Oh my gosh. Yo, the toilet's going crazy.
Hey, let's just. I'll do more. You collect.
Yeah. I'm gonna start collecting. I'll be the collector until my bag is full, and then you collect. So I'm just gonna keep on collecting.
Here, take all of that.
Yes. Oh, I'm full. This time we're gonna get full. Okay, you're good, bro. You're good. Okay, never mind. Okay, that's all.
All right.
Okay, let's sell. Thank you. W. Okay, $1,000. from
That's decent.
a
for me.
toilet, and it was still
A
still
toilet.
going. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go subscribe to Sleepy, and make sure you subscribe to me. And have a good day. Goodbye.